And thank you, Stalin.
See the smile?
Yeah, look at that. And thank you for taking care of Whitney. She was scared and so happy.
It was a pleasure, man. And it's my work.
Life in Cabo Verde, West Africa has been treating me pretty well. I live on my boat in a bay, basically in the city center. I have access to most of my needs. I even had hernia surgery here recently. And I learned its very unique language, and because of that, made lots of friends. Men and women, from fishermen, rappers, cops, and doctors, even gangsters. And recently, Stalin. Stalin is a dentist, and this is his dental clinic, Autopilot. Wendy and I are here for a checkup and cleaning. We're here a little early and taken in on time, which is not always the case at other dental clinics. He's also very gentle and comforting, as we all know what it's like to be in a dentist's chair. Stalin is suave, smooth. But let's find out more about Stalin himself.
Alex, nice to see you.
It's great to see you like this, like a professional.
Welcome to my clinic.
Yeah.
Odonto. It's good to see you here and see some of my work. No,
Yeah.
It's not about party. But thank you, my friend.
Yes, that's how we met. In the summer, having a good time. I couldn't believe he was a dentist at first. I mean, look at him. I profiled him as a badass Latino gangster, nicknamed the Dentist. Boy, was I wrong. But why become a dentist?
Man, I don't know. I choose dentist because I like it. Not from since the childhood, but I like the profession. So I choose. I study in Brazil, and since 2014, I am here in Cabo Verde.
Stalin is being modest. He genuinely cares about his people and the importance of oral hygiene. He knows people are afraid of his profession and therefore neglect their teeth in fear. Ask Wendy. It took me 2 years to convince her to go to the dentist for the first time. So what did it take for Stalin to learn dentistry?
6 years.
6 years.
Yeah, I'm half Cape Verdean, half Brazilian guy. Sort of.
So is Brazil a good place to learn dentistry?
Yeah, one of the best countries to learn. I think it's only USA. It's in front of Brazil in the dentist school.
As he's working on Wendy, one of his staffers shows me around. This machine sterilizes all the instruments. There are 3 times more Cape Verdeans living outside the country than in the country. And when they come back with new knowledge, it greatly improves the country's offerings.
We travel a lot to other countries to study because of the university here is not too strong. So we have this culture to study here at the middle school, and then we go out to do the university. Do my work at the other clinics, and since 2020, no? Yeah, in the year of COVID, I started my own clinic, Odonto Up.
You started during COVID?
Yeah, man, it was a struggle because I started to do all this stuff, buying the equipment, and then starts the COVID. We had to stop all the process and still paying at the bank, but with luck and a lot of job, we started in July.
Like most Cape Verdeans, Stalin was resilient. Yeah, he was a badass. A little global pandemic was not going to deter our dentist here.
In the middle of COVID, but we are here 2 years later, very good position, thanks God.
Yeah.
We are trying to do our best, see what we can do for our health.
And he's got plans for the future, expansion.
Right now I have this one dental room, but we are doing the second. In January we will open it with some luck. And we have another project, me and my partner. We will open a lab. It will work together with the clinic, because we need a lab here to do the dental.
The prosthesis.
Yeah, the prosthesis.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Some American people are gonna watch this and gonna say, "Your name is Stalin?"
Well, this is a older story. My father go to Russia, and when he came, I born so Stalin, but it's a good Stalin, a Stalin that will make you smile.
Ah, perfect. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
But thank you very much for visiting me.
Yeah.
See a few of my work, and we are here.
He was all finished with Wendy. He noticed a couple of small cavities we will take care of later. Then it was my turn. He did a complete checkup and cleaning. I have a few ugly black amalgam fillings that we'd like removed. As well, Stalin saw a few cosmetic issues he could easily fix. I'll be back soon, Stalin.
See the smile?
Yeah, look at that. Yeah. And thank you for taking care of Wendy. She was scared, and she's all happy and smiling.
It was a pleasure, man. And it's my work for you. Thank you, because you are showing the people outside of Cabo Verde, our country.
Yeah.
It's mean a lot for us to see people from outside came here, feeling in at home. It's 5 years here.
Yeah, 5 years. And I tell you, Stalin, I like hanging out with you guys more than my people.
And we will hang out much more time.
Yeah,
okay.
Okay, man.
Thank man.
So if you want great dental care and a fantastic stay here in Cabo Verde, come to Autopilot and ask for the popular Stalin. Now back on Galapan, the ARC crowd is moving in.
All the boats coming in here now are the boats from the Atlantic Rally Crossing ARC. So this whole group of people, they all cross the Atlantic together. Not my thing. I don't want to cross with a bunch of people. That's the whole point of crossing an ocean. You're out there in the middle of nowhere alone. Anyways, different opinions. They're here crowding up our space. All these foreigners. But soon they'll be crossing. Bye, Caribe.
I can't go anywhere on this boat until I figure out something.
You know, there's something that's been bugging me about this autopilot system. Let me show you what I'm talking about. See this piece here? And this piece here? What happens is the belt, and look, it starts rubbing against here. Either this piece should be turned around, or this piece should be turned around. But that's how it comes, and this one is impossible to fit in there or I'll break it. So what I did, I have an extra piece, and I just took it apart here, and reversed it so that this will go like that. Doesn't that make more sense? I think I'm gonna try it. I mean, look at this. Look how the belt has been rubbing and it's been wearing off. That shit ain't right, man. Doesn't that seem all right? Look, there. It might look a little strange that this might slip out, but I don't think so because it's held in here. It won't come out. And as it was running, it was always pushing here and wearing against this aluminum. I think this is gonna work out. I can always change it. And this, I only have one, so I can't f this up. And it just will not fit in the other way without taking a risk of breaking it. It's kind of a Raymarine skull fuck. Gotta put this piece on. Yeah. This on.
I thought I had this conundrum figured out, but no. The arm would only move one way. It would lock my steering, and that's not good.
Goes in, but it won't come out. And I can't have that. See, it's supposed to move like this freely. Damn it, when it's all put together, it doesn't work again. I can't pull it out, but it goes in. Ah. so annoying, man. God damn it. So I don't get it. I guess that's the way it has to be. No choice. On the arm.
I took the thing apart again and it would spin freely, but when I put it back together fully, it would lock up.
And the piece is in the way it was, but seems backwards, so the belt's gonna rub against the...
And then...
God damn, look what I noticed. The gear cracked when I put it in, damn it. There's something not right here. Oh, that's really sucks. So I just added some super glue and baking soda here in this gear to mend it. I can't believe that it cracked. So annoying, man. God damn it.
So, I put it back together the way it was originally. Now rest assured, I looked online and found schematics, 2 of them, but they were contradicting, basically useless. My palette has worked like this for years, so I'm going with it as is.
Well, everything's working, it seems. The real way to see if it's really working, if it's out at sea, I'm gonna have to go out and do a sea trial, but watch, it's working. This up?
But the delicious. Ah, vou querer fazer turismo para lá para poder enviar vídeos. É, diga, ele é o quê? Ele é o quê?
Chorizo de cachorro.
They made me pica-pau.
Made in pica-pau. Chorizo de pica-pau. Oh, pica-pau.
Hey, thanks for watching. These are our studios on Gadapan. You know, it's the good people on Patreon who are making this happen and keeping us afloat. Hope you'll join our community. We've got a lot of cool extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos that I've taken. And I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories, which are not for general audiences on YouTube. Plus, our friend and patron, Graham, started a WhatsApp chat aptly called Galapan's Cockpit. There we can talk about just about anything we want, uncensored. People from all over have joined. And it's this community that's contributing to this Living Adventure series. Woo, it's kind of windy here. Or you can watch for free on YouTube, but make sure you put a like or dislike, and make a comment, and make your voice heard. And definitely subscribe. So thanks for coming along and sailing with us on our winded voyage.